Welcome back to Wolf Phone Repairs. Today we are repairing the screen on the Dell Latitude 5400. As always, we're going to start by removing or loosening the bottom screws and removing the bottom cover and disconnecting the battery. So this way there's no voltage running through the system. And we'll go ahead and remove the bezel. As usual, just gently pry it off. I actually did this wrong. You first have to remove the screws at the bottom of the LCD and then slide the tabs out from on top. Let's remove the sticker. Sorry, I did not do a great job of showing this, but the brackets on the back of the original LCD, you can just pull the adhesive out from underneath the brackets, and then I installed new adhesive on top to transfer the brackets to the new LCD. You can see me doing that right here. Let's go ahead and install the screen. So now the tops of these tabs slip underneath the back there.